Construction Site Safety Checklist, the secret to accident-free work sites, construction work done. Imagine you're on a construction site, cranes swinging, hammers pounding, dust everywhere. It's chaos, right? But then picture this. One missed step, one overlooked danger, like a shaky scaffold or a loose wire, and someone's life changes forever. I've seen it happen and it breaks my heart every time. That's why I'm so fired up today. I'm sharing the secret to stopping those accidents before they even start. A construction site safety checklist. This isn't just a piece of paper, it's a lifeline, and I'm begging you to stick around because this could save someone you care about. Hey, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm thrilled you're with us. We're all about making health, safety, and environment HSE real, raw, and doable. Today, we're digging into something I'm crazy passionate about, the construction site safety checklist. It's the unsung hero of accident-free work sites, whether you're building skyscrapers or fixing a roof. I'm going to walk you through what it is, why it's a game changer, and how you can use it to keep everyone safe. Let's get rolling. I can't wait to unpack this with you. So, what's a safety checklist? It's like your personal guardian on the job, a simple list that makes sure nothing slips through the cracks. We're talking must checks like, is the scaffolding solid? Are the tools in good shape? Are the workers geared up with helmets and harnesses? It's all the stuff that keeps a site humming safely. I get goosebumps thinking about how something so basic can stop so much pain. Why am I so worked up about this? Because construction sites are no joke. In the US, over 1,000 construction workers lose their lives every year. Falls, electrocutions, crushed by machinery. It's gut-wrenching. In the UK, it's over 50 more families torn apart. I hate that number, but here's what gets me hopeful. A checklist can slash those stats. It's like a shield you carry every day to say, not on my watch. Now, how do you make this work? Oh man, I love this part. It's so simple, yet it's everything. Step 1, grab your checklist before the day starts. You can write your own or snag one online. Doesn't matter, just have it. Step 2, walk the site with fire in your belly. Check the scaffolding, give it a shake, make sure it's rock solid. Look at the power tools, any frayed cords, test them. Eyeball the crew. Are they suited up? Or are they rolling the dice with no gear? Be thorough, I'm begging you, because every box you tick is a disaster you dodge. Step 3. Don't just check, act. If something's off, like a wobbly ladder or a missing guardrail, fix it or flag it fast. Tell your supervisor, your crew, whoever's got the power to make it right. I heard about this site in Texas. A guy named Mike spotted a cracked beam on his checklist, raised the alarm, and stopped a collapse that could have taken out half the team. That's the kind of power I'm talking about. It's real, and it's in your hands. Let's break down what goes on this checklist. I'm geeking out because this is where it gets practical. Start with the biggies. Scaffolding, stable and secure, no exceptions. Ladders, every rung safe, no cracks. Electrical gear, cords intact, no sparks waiting to fly. Personal protective equipment, helmets, gloves, boots, every worker's got to have them. Then add site stuff, clear walkways, no clutter, begging for a trip. And don't skip the little things, fire extinguishers ready, first aid kits stocked. It's like building a fortress of safety, one check at a time. I've got a story that lights me up. A crew in London was rushing a job, skipping checks, until one day a worker slipped on spilled oil nobody caught. Broke his leg out for months. Pure agony. After that, they swore by their checklist. And guess what? No accident since. That's the magic I want for you. Why does this matter so much? Because it's your safety net. It catches what your tired eyes might miss. I feel this deep in my bones. Every check you make is a promise to yourself, your mates, your family, that you're coming home whole. It's the law too. OSHA in the US, HSE in the UK, they demand it. And skipping it could mean fines or worse. But when you nail this, oh, it's a rush. Safer sites, tighter teams, and that proud feeling of knowing you made a difference. All right, I need you with me. What's one thing you'd put on your checklist? A dodgy tool you've seen? A corner that's always a mess? Hit me up in the comments. I'm dying to hear your take. And if this fires you up, share it with your crew or your boss. Let's spread this safety vibe far and wide. Here's the bottom line. A construction site safety checklist isn't just a list. It's your secret weapon for accident-free work sites. Check it, live it, breathe it, and watch the magic happen. I'm so pumped you're here. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we're just warming up with HSE goodness. Next up, we're cracking how to spot hazards like a pro. You won't want to miss it. Swing by hsestudy.in below for more. I've got your back. Catch you soon.